We all think we know what college life is like, but trust me, my 5 years were nothing like I expected. There is joy, heartbreak, and a few secrets. My BDS journey wasn't just about becoming a dentist, it was about surviving heartbreak, finding myself, and discovering a passion that kept me going. कभी सोचा है कैसे एक मोमेंट आपकी लाइफ को पूरा बदल सकता है? Let me take you through the 5 years that changed mine. 5 सितंबर 2019 को मुझे अलॉट हुआ यशवंतराव चौहान डेंटल कॉलेज इन मॉपअप राउंड and on 6th September I took admission in this college. But little did I know it would be the most life-changing experience of my life. 17th September 2019 मेरा फर्स्ट डे ऑफ कॉलेज. एक्साइटमेंट जितनी थी उतनी ही नर्वस भी. बट ऑन माई एडमिशन डे इटसेल्फ आई मेट टू पीपल हु वुड बिकम माई एवरीथिंग. साइली, जिसको हम प्यार से बुलाते हैं साया, एंड खुशी, जो मेरी रेंजो बन गई. हम रूममेट्स से बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स बन गए एंड हॉस्टल वाज सडनली होम. आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन एन इंट्रोवर्ट, सो मेकिंग फ्रेंड्स wasn't my strong suit. But these strangers quickly turned into my best buddies. In my first year, I made a promise to myself to step out of my comfort zone. And did I? From joining college events to dancing my heart out during Navratri, those nights were magical. Then came the post-need slump and life slowed down. But hostel life? Oh, we lived it to the fullest. Bunking classes, midnight talks, sneaking in some late night cooking, and yes, getting scolded by the staff. And let's be honest, studying only started 2 weeks before the exams.
एक चॉकलेट नहीं मिलेगी तुमको। और ऊपर
ओह अच्छा किया है।
February 2020 में हमारी फ्रेशर्स पार्टी हुई, फिर मार्च 2020 में लॉकडाउन लग गया.
आज रात 12 बजे से घरों से बाहर निकलने पर पूरी तरह पाबंदी लगाई जा रही है.
जो लगा था 2 हफ्ते का ब्रेक होगा, वो महीनों का बन गया. एंड इन दैट टाइम आई गॉट क्लोजर टू माई क्रिएटिव साइड.
स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ,
कोरोना हारेगा,
इंडिया जीतेगा।
पर लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा शौक भी इसी वक्त आया. On 3rd July 2020, it was my 20th birthday and I was sad for some reason. तब साया ने मुझे सरप्राइज दिया and the day became happier. Little did I know that it would be the last time I would see her.
This best friend award is awarded to the most amazing friend a person could wish for. So for outstanding Ayurvedic Pana, I hereby award this certificate to Shona.
On July 28, 2020, Saya passed away. Life एकदम से रुक सी गई थी. Coping with her loss was hard and I struggled to find a way forward. लेकिन एक चीज थी जो मुझे इस फेज से निकलने में मदद की, YouTube. On October 3, 2020, I posted my first video. It was my way of keeping myself busy, of moving forward. कभी सोचा नहीं था मेरा बचपन का सपना मेरा कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म बन जाएगा. कुछ चीजें आपको अनएक्सपेक्टेड जगह से स्ट्रेंथ देती है और मेरे लिए वो YouTube था. In November we gave first university exams and immediately second year began. Second year के प्री क्लिनिकल्स, उफ, हर स्टूडेंट को पता होता है कि प्री क्लिनिकल्स का प्रेशर क्या होता है. बट ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग मेरे लिए ये फेज काफी चिल गया. शायद क्योंकि मैंने बैलेंस बना लिया था. यूट्यूब वीडियोस बनाने का शौक, दोस्तों के साथ वीकेंड्स पर घूमने का मजा, और हाँ, पढ़ना भी. अहिल्या नगर के फूड स्पॉट्स पर जाके छोटी सी ट्रीट लेना हमारा वीकेंड का रिचुअल बन गया था. काफी सारा वक्त तो वैसे घर पे ही निकल गया क्योंकि फिर से लॉकडाउन लगा था. बट आई यूज्ड दिस टाइम टू क्रिएट मोर कंटेंट. थर्ड ईयर जल्द ही शुरू हो गया. पोस्टिंग्स लग गई. From decorating my room to treating my first patient, I started seeing the noble side of this profession. इसी दौरान मुझे अपना पहला पेड कोलैबोरेशन करने का मौका मिला. It was a reminder that hard work does pays off. And the best part, my YouTube channel. जब मेरा पहला वीडियो वायरल गया, over 1 million views, I was like, wow, people actually like my content. And on 30th December 2021, I hit my first 1000 subscribers mark. But I had to make a tough choice. I wanted my channel to represent me and not just chase views. So I made those videos private. पहली बार patient treat करना, hands shaking, heart racing, but वो feeling, it was priceless. और थर्ड ईयर यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम्स खत्म होते ही हम निकल गए गर्ल्स ट्रिप टू लोनावला. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, थर्ड ईयर वाज द हनीमून फेज ऑफ BDS. फिर आया फाइनल ईयर, द ईयर एवरी BDS स्टूडेंट इज अफ्रेड फ्रॉम. 8 subjects, endless assignments, patient work and the list goes on. लग रहा था जैसे लाइफ फास्ट फॉरवर्ड पे चल रही है, but I managed to juggle it all while making videos and enjoying every moment of college life. There were times in final year जब लगता था बस this is it, I can't go on. But you find strength in strange places. Like one day I had a tough case, but a patient just smiled and said, "Madam, thank you so much. आपने मेरा दर्द दूर कर दिया." And suddenly, all that stress was worth it. Not all days were perfect. There were moments I had breakdowns or days when I doubted myself. On top of that, backstabbing snakes who spread false rumors and the typical college drama. कभी-कभी लगता था कि it's too much. But then again, the people who stood by my side made it all bearable. Then there was exam season. The stress, the late night cramming, all of it reached another level. लाइफ में पहली बार स्ट्रेस की वजह से मुझे हेडेक हुआ. तब रियलाइज हुआ कि पैशन और प्रेशर को बैलेंस करना कोई आसान बात नहीं. फिर वो दिन आया जब रिजल्ट्स आए. इट वॉज माई डैड्स बर्थडे एंड गेस वॉट, मैंने क्लियर कर लिया विथ फ्लाइंग कलर्स. पापा के लिए इससे बेटर बर्थडे गिफ्ट नहीं हो सकता था. और फिर इंटर्नशिप शुरू हुई. हेक्टिक but full of new experiences. Internship taught me discipline in a whole new way. I started a 100-day challenge trying to balance my 9 to 4 internship with my goal to study 7 hours a day for my PG entrance exam preparation. मुझे लगा मैं ये कर लूंगी, but honestly धीरे धीरे मुझे burnout feel होने लगा and I got no time to recover. Still, I kept pushing myself until one day I had a breakdown. So on the 47th day of this challenge, I broke it. It was a reality check. This career is demanding and sometimes you need to know your limits. But through all this, I met people who made the days easier. Some of the friendships I made during this phase kept me grounded and sane. Those small moments, they kept the spirit alive in the middle of all that chaos. Finally, internship came with some proud moments too. Treating patients on my own, getting through difficult cases, it was like a mini graduation each time I completed a challenging treatment. And through all this, I felt closer than ever to becoming the person I always wanted to be. Internship wasn't just about building skills. It was a journey of personal growth. I realized that being a dentist wasn't just about expertise. It was about resilience, empathy, and handling pressure with a smile. When I look back, I realized these 5 years were not just about lectures, patients, or exams. They were about finding joy in little things, learning from heartbreaks, and discovering the strength I never knew I had. Remember when I asked, कभी सोचा है कैसे एक moment आपकी लाइफ को पूरा बदल सकता है? Well, these moments changed mine. And here I am, a little wiser, a lot stronger, and definitely more grateful. This is Dr. Hansika Lathi signing off from the most memorable chapter of my life. Thank you for being a part of this journey. अब आगे क्या होगा? Who knows? But I'm ready for it. Until then, stay tuned, loads of love.